Hello and welcome to the third in a series of Expresso tutorials. Every video will cover a different aspect of our Expresso software. This will allow you to become familiar with the different capabilities at your own pace. If you do have any questions, do get in touch at info@expresso-tech.com. In this video we will cover how to quote a customer. To begin, I'm going to press the banknote icon in the navigation bar. Here you can see the list of my pre-existing customers. You could always add a new customer by pressing the New Customer button just above the list. I'm going to choose EJ Electronics as a customer to quote. Here I've filled in the description box. This is used to add further detail not included in the line items. For this quote, I am charging the customer for the installation of 2 TV units in their shop. Now I'm going to add the price of the product and change the quantity to 2 units. As you can see, the VAT is done automatically. The next line item is for the labour cost. The current installation cost has been entered as £250. However, this can be changed to your desired amount. Now this is completed, I will save my quote. This quote has been saved successfully. The email symbol appears once the quote is saved, which allows you to send a PDF of the quote to the customer. This icon allows you to send a PDF of the quote to the customer. The date of the quote will be the same day you create and save it. To find my issued quotes, I simply press the customer icon in the navigation bar. Next, I select the correct customer. Finally, I scroll down to see all quotes for this customer amongst other details. This has been Tutorial 3, Quoting a Customer. The next video details making a new job.